10 bytes. If I write 10 bytes, 10 bytes will be allocated. Okay, after allocating 10 bytes, what will happen? See, this is see, if I write 10 bytes, 10 bytes will be allocated. First listen. Malloc returns which address? Malloc returns, it allocates 10 bytes. After allocating 10 bytes, it returns the address of the first byte. Address of the first byte. Okay, which address it returns? You know, different addresses. Example, it is an integer address or float address or double address. Example, this starts from 1001 and 1002 and 1003 and 1004. Right? What is the last byte address? This is 1009. It is. Okay, what is this? It returns a of void type. Malloc returns a void type. Okay, P is what? Void type. I want to store in integer. I want to store in integer. Example C. This is malloc returns. Malloc returns a void address. Okay, see guys. Malloc returns void address. See this. What is malloc? Malloc allocates the request size of bytes and returns a pointer first byte of allocated size. So what address it returns? See guys, malloc stands for memory allocation. The function malloc reserves a block of memory of specified size and return a pointer of type. A pointer of type. Which type it is? Void type it returns. Okay. Now I want to store in integer. Okay, guys. I want to store in integer. Int star p I have taken, guys. Int star p. If I write int star p, can I write p equals to malloc of? We can't write. Why? Because p is an integer type. P is an integer type. P is integer type. It is a malloc y type. That's why what to do typecasting is required. Okay, this is not mandatory. That is optional. If you are writing also, nothing will happen. If I write, what will happen? Int star of malloc of 10, right? Int star of malloc of 10. Then what will happen? 10 bytes will be allocated. 10 bytes will be allocated. Guys, write this syntax. Int star p, p equals to int star of malloc of 10 bytes. Draw this diagram. If I write int star of malloc of 10, if I write malloc of 10, 10 bytes will be allocated. Draw this diagram. All are garbage values. Is a garbage value. This is a garbage. This is garbage. And this is garbage. All values are garbage values. Okay, what is pointer now? It's an integer return type. Integer address it is. Draw this type. This one and this one. Finished? Huh? Yeah, we write one program. Create dynamic array with n elements and them. create dynamic array with the n size, not n element, n size. Elements we can't create, size only we can create with the n size, and print them, print the array elements. Previously whatever you have written, that is what static array, guys. Int a of 5 is what? Int a of 5 is a static array. Okay, what is static array? At compile time you need to mention the size. 5 is fixed. Before, when you are writing program itself only, we need to mention the size. Okay, after writing, when we are executing, we can't enter the size. Okay, I want 10 elements, I can't change the runtime dynamically. Now I want to create a dynamic array, guys. See how to write dynamic array. I will write a program, guys. See, guys, now I am writing what is required. Int star p comma star q. I will tell you why am I taking 2 pointers. Clear screen, and then also read. Now I have taken n also, guys. Enter n value. How to enter n value? Printf. See, guys, printf enter n value. Okay, runtime you can enter this. Okay, how much you want you can enter. Scanf %ld. Now I can enter %ld, right? Address of n. This is n value you can enter. Okay, now I want to create array. How to create array? P equals to malloc of, directly we can write n into 2 bytes. N into 2 bytes. Why? Because 2 is an integer. That's why I will write n into size of int. I will write. Don't write directly. Okay, size of integer. Now there is no any error. Warning it is showing. What is the warning? Non-portable pointer conversion. Why? Because typecasting is required. Here int star. Okay, if you are not writing also, nothing will happen. Now how many bytes it allocates now? Dolika, how many bytes will it allocates now? If I enter n is 5,
10, sir.
yeah, huh?
10.
10 bytes, right? Why? Because 5 into 2, 10 bytes will be allocated. Okay, malloc normally void address it returns. Now converted to integer address. Okay, first those values I want to print. Before printing, see, p is a what? P is a first element address, guys. P is a first element address. If I write a star p, how many bytes data can access? Dolika? If I write star p, how many elements data can access? This is the diagram. If I write star p, how many bytes data can access? All bytes data can access at a time?
No, sir.
How many bytes then?
2 bytes.
2 bytes. Why? Because integer pointer. Integer pointer access only this 2 bytes data. After that, if you want the next 2 bytes, what to do?
Plus, plus.
P plus plus. Okay, P plus plus, P plus plus. Okay, see, guys, first I want to display. If you want to display, see, guys, now what I'm doing, P is the first byte, right? P is the first byte. Now what I'm doing, Q also P. What is Q? Q also pointing first byte. Why am I writing this? I will tell you. I will tell you later. That Q is also pointing to first byte. Q is also pointing to first byte. Why am I writing like this? I will tell you later. Okay. Why? Because if I say P plus plus, P plus plus, P plus plus, P will move to those location last. Okay, first I want to read the data. First I want to enter 5 elements. Guys, see, first garbage values will be there. First garbage values will be there. First I want to print them. First I want to read them. Okay, first I want to enter the elements. How to enter the element? Printf. Tell me, printf enter elements. Now I want to enter array elements. Enter array elements. Enter array elements. How to enter array elements? You know this. For loop, take for loop. For I equals to 0, I less than n. N is how much? 5. I plus plus. This loop will execute 5 times. Okay, 5 times. Read first element. How to read the element? Scanf of, you know this. Scanf of read address of %d p. What is p? P is address only. This step you understood, right? Guys, see, p, that value, first element, you are reading, you are storing that address of, not address of p, we are storing in p only. What is p? This element, this address only. Next element I want to store in these 2 bytes. Next element I want to store in these 2 bytes. That's why here I will write p plus plus. This is a p plus plus. Guys, you understood this is reading array elements? Any doubt in this step? Any doubt in this step? You understood, right? Okay. Now displaying array elements. This is a reading. Okay, we are reading those elements. Okay, after print them. How to print them? After reading this value, what will happen? P plus plus, P plus plus, first P plus plus in this one, next P plus plus. After P plus plus, after reading this P plus plus, P will be here. P is pointing to in this location. Okay, why? Because we are reading. That's why I have taken q. With the q I want to read those elements with the q. Okay, array elements are how to read array elements. Now for loop, take for loop, for I equals to 0, I less than 5, not 5, n. Okay, I plus plus, we need to take I plus plus, print those elements. Okay, how to print those elements? Printf slash, and next line percentile d star p. If I write star p, only first element will be displayed. If you want second element, third element, fourth element, q plus plus. This is here also q star q. In one step also we can write star q plus plus. Once check this program, one error, undefined symbol, I value, you have to take I. Okay, now I'm taking I for looping purpose. Execute this, enter a n value. If you want how many values? 5. Okay, I have taken 5. First element 10, 20, 30, and 40, and 50. See this array elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is dynamic array. Okay, runtime, if I enter 100 also we can enter. Okay, that is runtime. You are reading n value, right? That is size of array. Okay, n is what? Size of array. Clear this? Guys, write this program. Any doubts in this? This is creating dynamic array using malloc. Same diagram draw with elements. Previously diagram only drawn with right elements in that memory.